By Zatin welcomes you all to our YouTube channel A to Z Softech. Here you will get educational videos related to NCERT subjects and technical subjects based on computer science. If you find our videos helpful to you, please like and share the videos, do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get updates about new videos. To get more clarity on the topic, watch the video till the end. Please feel free to post your queries in the comment section just below the video. You can reach to us using our email, WhatsApp and Telegram channel. The link is provided in the description box below the video. You can find our video using hashtag Zatin Sir, hashtag Java by Zatin Sir, hashtag A to Z Softech. Now let's start with the topic.
Our today's topic is multiple inheritance is not possible in Java. As you all are aware, we are discussing differences between C++ and Java. So the next difference is that multiple inheritance is a part of C++, but it is not a part in Java. Now, first of all, what is inheritance? The topic multiple inheritance is derived from inheritance. So our first concern is the meaning of inheritance. As you are aware that Java is an object-oriented programming language. Any programming language that is supposed to be object-oriented programming language needs to obey the basic principle that the programming language must store data in the form of objects. Means कोई भी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज जो डेटा को ऑब्जेक्ट्स की फॉर्म में स्टोर करे उस लैंग्वेज को, उस प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज को ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज कह सकते हैं. ओके, these 7 features are known as the basic principle or object oriented programming features. Like ये 7 features अगर किसी लैंग्वेज में होंगे तो वो लैंग्वेज ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज कहलाएगी. ओके, कौन कौन से हैं? Classes, objects, encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance and message passing. ये 7 features, ये 7 principles, ये 7 rules, basically these 7 rules will define a language as a object-oriented programming language. So our today's topic is inheritance. Inheritance is basically accessing or reusing the older defined data. Okay, it is also known as code reusability. Inheritance provides code reusability. Means here a class A is already defined and you are using this class in your next program, upcoming program. It is like inheritance is like a feature in which you can use your old programs to form your new programs. Okay, आप अपनी पुरानी बनाई हुई क्लासेस को यूज करके आप नई क्लासेस में उस प्रोग्राम को, उस फीचर्स को दोबारा से यूज कर सकते हो. आपको बार बार सेम कोड लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. फॉर एग्जांपल, आपने एक बार प्रोग्राम बनाया एडिशन का, एक बार सब्ट्रैक्शन का. अब आपके पास कैलकुलेटर बनाने के लिए प्रोग्राम आया तो आपने एडिशन का और सब्ट्रैक्शन का जो पहले बना हुआ प्रोग्राम था उसको एज इट इज उठा लिया और अपने कैलकुलेटर के प्रोग्राम में उसको आगे इनहेरिट करके डायरेक्टली यूज कर लिया. ओके, नाउ इनहेरिटेंस में हमारे पास वर्ड्स होते हैं पेरेंट एंड चाइल्ड. दिस क्लास ए is parent class whose properties are going to be used in class B. So class B is a child class. Parent, child, super, sub, base, derived. Means आप parent class को, super class को, base class को, एक ही मतलब है. चाइल्ड क्लास को, सब क्लास को, डिराइव्ड क्लास को, एक ही बात है. नाउ इफ यू आर कॉलिंग पेरेंट देन यू मस्ट यूज चाइल्ड. इफ यू आर कॉलिंग सुपर क्लास देन यू मस्ट यूज सब क्लास. इफ यू यूज द वर्ड बेस देन यू मस्ट यूज डिराइव्ड. मींस इनके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंगली आप यही वर्ड्स यूज करेंगे. नाउ इनहेरिटेंस का मतलब आपको समझ में आया, कोड रियूजेबिलिटी समझ में आया, पुरानी प्रोग्राम को, पुराने डिफाइंड पार्ट को, पुराने फंक्शन को, पुराने वेरिएबल को आप दोबारा से अपने नए प्रोग्राम में यूज करना. ओके, हाउ इनहेरिटेंस हैपेंस? लाइक देयर इज अ क्लास A, दिस इज अ क्लास B. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज सिंगल लेवल इनहेरिटेंस. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज सिंगल लेवल इनहेरिटेंस, पेरेंट टू चाइल्ड. Let there is a variable I is equals to 10 and there is a method or function named print. In derived class you can use this method as well as this variable. This is single level. Next is ABC. This is multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance means parent, child. The child becomes parent and then again C is a child. In this case, here is a variable, here is a method. Here you can use that variable and method both. Okay, this is a multi-level, more than one level, that is multi-level. In Java, you can use single level and multi-level, both types. Now the third one is multiple inheritance. This type of inheritance is not possible in Java, but it is possible in C++. Okay. Now focus. There is a parent class A, another parent class B. Here is a variable I is equals to 20 and method name is print. Here a variable name I is equals to 30 and method name is print. When both the classes are derived into a single child class and the child class calls a method named print, then whose method, A class method or B class method, will gonna print? Now this leads a confusion. Okay, this leads a confusion to the programmer that कौन सी class के उसको function को या method को call करवाना है, print करवाना है, and so on. So that's why Java restricts multiple inheritance. Now the question arises, if Java restricts or prohibits the multiple inheritance feature, then is Java object-oriented language or not? No doubt that Java is object-oriented language because Java supports inheritance, and multiple inheritance is very rarely used feature of object-oriented. Okay, but the main feature is of inheritance, and Java uses and supports inheritance. So Java is object-oriented programming language. Moreover, this multiple inheritance is not a necessary feature of any object-oriented programming language, but in Java there is a solution of this problem. Java provides the concept of interfaces. Java provides concept of interfaces in which this multiple inheritance is also possible. Okay, we'll discuss these object-oriented principles and features, Java के features, in our upcoming lectures in very detail. Okay, we'll discuss interfaces in our upcoming lectures. अभी इस topic के लिए आपको inheritance का मतलब समझना जरूरी था, so हमने उसको यहाँ cover किया. Okay. Now, next question is there, how Java restricts multiple inheritance? So, the answer of that is using a keyword extends. In Java, if you want to inherit a class, then you must use extends keyword. Then you must use extends keyword, means extends keyword को use करके ही आप inheritance को Java में कर सकते हो. Okay? Extends keyword के साथ limitation क्या है? That you can use only one class name with extends keyword. You can use only one class name with extends keyword. Means अगर आप extends keyword के साथ एक से ज़्यादा classes के नाम लिखोगे, तो compiler will show an error over there. Okay? So extends is the keyword that restricts multiple inheritance in Java. Okay? You can use only one class name with extends keyword. Okay? Now, आज के लेक्चर में इतना ही. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम एक और डिफरेंस करेंगे. दैट डिफरेंस विल बी बेस्ड ऑन पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म. दैट डिफरेंस विल बी बेस्ड ऑन पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म. ओके, इन आवर अपकमिंग लेक्चर्स विल डिस्कस these topics and other Java topics in detail. Thank you friends.